Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ashwat Shivaram from ashwatshivaram.com. Have you ever thought of creating a YouTube channel and you're not aware of it? Then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to teach you how you can create a YouTube channel and what are the minimum settings you need to do. So, let's not waste the time and get started. So, to begin with, go to youtube.com. So, that will take you to a screen like this. And usually, YouTube do not have a sign up button. So, what you need to do is click on sign in. So, once you click the sign in button, if you have a Gmail account, you can enter a Gmail account and you can start creating an account. Or if you want to start fresh everything, then you just need to click on create account. So there you will get three options for myself, for my child, to manage my business. So always try to select to manage my business. So here, if you have a existing Gmail address, you can enter here. Or if you wish to create a new Gmail account, then you can just click on create a new Gmail address instead. So if you are using the existing Gmail account, then you need to verify that particular Gmail account belongs to you with a verification link being sent to that particular email inbox. So for now, I'll proceed with creating a new Gmail address. So maybe I'll just start with, so maybe I'll just prefix so not being confused later. Okay, so any password, you can just select any random password. Make sure you select a very strong password. That is most important thing. So once you enter these details, just click on next. It will create the account for you. So sometimes Gmail asks for verifying your phone number. For me it is now optional, so I'll just leave it as it is. So the next thing is the most important is your birthday. You can just mention here. So that's a mandatory field, so you just need to mention, and of course your gender. And you can just click on next. You just agree for the policies. Just go through roughly and just agree for the policies. I agree. And now your Gmail account is set up. If you want to set up your complete Gmail account with this particular email, then you can click on continue, or else you can just skip for now and you can later create that one. You can just click on not now. So that will take you to the YouTube again, because now you have created account on YouTube. And to set up the channel, on the right side here, this I click on this particular icon, click on create channel, or even you can click on YouTube Studio. Now I'll click on create a channel. So you can upload any of your good pictures or any pic you want. It can be related to your business or personal, anything you wish. You can just skip the other steps. You can just you can give the name, desired name for your channel, and you can just click on create channel. And that's it. Now you have created your channel completely. So now you can start using the channel. But before that, there are some things you should know before proceeding further. So just hover here, click here, and click on YouTube Studio. So this is your channel dashboard. Here you can see every stats of your channel. Like this is the main dashboard. It will just show the channel and the main analytics, like the how many subscribers you have and any issues are there, and what's the new in this particular dashboard or this particular tool. And here you have the option of uploading videos. I'll tell you in the next section. So this is the content part. Here you can see all the videos that you have uploaded. So for uploading a new video, you can just click on upload videos. Once you upload a single first video, this particular icon won't be appearing here. So what you need to do, just beside this particular question help button, so there is a create. Just click here. You can just click on upload videos, and you can start uploading your videos, whatever you have recorded. And this is the playlist. You can create playlist and you can attach series of videos if you are preparing a course, or if you are preparing a like a dependent videos, then you can create a new playlist and you can attach that particular videos into that one playlist. And analytics, just as the name suggests, it will show you the views, total number of views that your videos has got, and watch time, and how many subscribers that your channel has got. And comments, this particular section will show you the, if any subscriber, if any person puts a comment on your videos, you can just see here. Also you can instantly respond to that particular videos, I mean the comments. So you can include your channel subtitles and these things on this particular tab. Copyright, in this section YouTube will show you if you have any if you have violated any copyright content. If you have copied the copyright content, then you will need to remove it. That particular notices will be appearing in this particular section. So the monetization, so if you want your videos to earn money for you, then you need to add your the channel should be monetized. So there is some minimum eligibility criteria for your channel to be eligible for making monetized is you should have at least 1,000 subscribers with a 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. That's the mandatory criteria for getting your channel monetized. Once you have these criterias, then once you upload the videos, the YouTube will start showing ads on your videos, and with that you can start making some revenues. So the customization part, it is just for your channel customization. You can just branding, you can just add the banner image and the picture you can upload. The video watermark, you can upload a video watermark, and by default, whichever video you upload to the channel, this particular watermark will be present on this particular video, so that nobody can copy your video, download and reuse it for their own purpose. The banner image also, the that is something I'll show. So if you view the channel, so this is the banner here. The background, you can just have your background image. That's the banner image. So this is how it will look. And the audio library, this is the place where you can get some predefined or the pre-made audios for your videos. If you are looking for copyright free audios for your videos, then you can come here and you can just browse through, and you can just download this particular videos, and you can use it in any type of videos that you want, and you can re-upload it, so it will not identify, or it will not put you in the copyright strike. The one more section is settings. Under settings, you can select the currency, default currency over whichever country you belong. Then you can just select the country and the currency. So I'll just select Indian rupee, and the channel, the country of residence, you can just select and you can just type it and you can keep it. So under advanced settings, and you can just this is the some basic setting by default settings for videos that you are going to upload. And one more thing is that if you want to upload videos that are more than 15 minutes longer, then you need to verify your mobile number. Then only the YouTube will allow you to upload the videos that are more than 15 minutes. So for that purpose, if you come to settings and under channel, this particular feature, you can just verify phone number here. You can just click on the verify phone number. So it will take you to a new screen. You can just enter the phone number here, and you can just get the code. There will be a 6-digit code on your phone. You just enter that particular code and verify it. Then your channel will be eligible for uploading videos that are more than 15 minutes longer. The next thing is upload defaults. Say if you are uploading some videos, and if you want that particular title or description, that some default descriptions and other things to be preloaded, then you can just add it on the default this particular section. So the license part category, you can just add or the general video language and the caption, and these things you can just make it default, so that whenever you add, it will just reduce your work and time. However, this doesn't consume much time. only. And the permission part you can just select this, just you can just ignore. And community also, you can, if you want to use allow some, if you are when you grow bigger and bigger, then you might need some people to handle your channel and other things, so you can just add here. Also for the blocked words and say for example, if you don't want the users to add some blocked words, some bad words, vulgar words, then you can just add the blocked words section here, so that people cannot add that particular videos there. And agreement, again you can just I think this one, so this is also nothing so much, not much. After making these changes, you can just click on save, and that's the major part of creating a YouTube channel. Not major actually, it's a complete section of creating a YouTube channel. Once you're done with this, you can just start uploading videos and you can just chill. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button, and for all the notifications whenever I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and select all, so that yep, then you will not miss any further updates or the new videos whenever I upload on my channel. Thank you for watching. Happy YouTubing.